Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Hump Day. It's October 23rd, Wednesday. And we got just one item here on the economic calendar. We got the FHFA Home Price Index for the month of August. This index actually gauges home prices on homes with the conforming loan limits. So makes up a pretty good sized chunk of the homes out there. But just to kind of give you a gauge as to why this might be different than some of the other home indexes we see out there. Now, in July, we saw a 0.4% month over month increase of 0.4%, and they're expecting the same thing for August. However, instead of 0.4, it came in only 0.2%. So that brought our year over year down from 5% to 4.6% year over year appreciation. So still relatively modest and healthy increase, but of course, we'd never like to see drops in our home price or home appreciation. Not that home prices are dropping; it's just that it's shrinking that much more. So that's all. Let's jump ahead here to the headline news. Stocks are mixed this morning. They did start in the negative. Even the Dow was in the negative. We had a few that came in under expected. Couple bellwethers like Boeing and Caterpillar didn't come in too well for Dow, so they were in the negative. And then since as we started working on this report, Dow started going into positive territory. Now we've been getting quite a number of corporations coming in with better than expectations in terms of being a forecast. However, something to keep in mind is those forecasts have been uh, the expectations have been actually lower on those. So just because we've been seeing a slowdown in data, the expectations are a little lower than what we would normally have. So also we got a little bit of an update on the Brexit update. The UK Parliament had their had their vote yesterday on the Brexit agreement and voted against it. They had applied for extension, asking for basically until end of the year, and it looks like they could get that. So the good news out of that is that they may not be having to abruptly leave, like a hard Brexit. So they could potentially still have a deal in place before they leave, and that's still the good news for the delay. The bad news, obviously, it's being put off. So let's take a look, see how this is affecting the bond market. Bond market is up about 8 basis points so far this morning. So we had a price change because it was getting kind of worse yesterday, but we did improve and end up closing upwards of about 9 basis points, which kind of helps us out a little bit. And then so far we're starting that trend. As I indicated the last day or two, it looked like we might be on the verge of a crossover. And as you can see here, we're practically there right now. And we might see this go upwards so we can get this an improvement. So we may see some improvement here, hopefully for a little bit. Again, it could also go sideways on us too, so we just never know. But something we'll keep our eye on. Hopefully, we can get that crossover that we've been looking for and get a little bit more improvement here, because we do got 3 levels of resistance here. We got the 100-day moving average, which is now 50-day moving average, and the 25-day moving average, which are all ceilings now, and that can create resistance for us to try to get upwards. All right, and on the yield, it's the same thing. It looks like we could have a crossover here. It's down to about 1.74, I think it was this morning, and so it broke below its Fibonacci. So that's a good sign too. We may have that trend reversal we've been looking for. So I would say yes, pricing's a little bit better today. We didn't get it yesterday, so combine yesterday's and today's, I think you'll see a little bit better pricing today from what we've seen. All right, so that's pretty much a wrap. If you guys are in California and looking to buy a refinance, I'd love to be able to talk with you guys. Please feel free to reach out to me, direct message me, or email me. Email is probably the best, and you can see that right here. Help out a lot of people from providing different solutions in terms of the mortgages, helping them with their purchases, helping them with their refinances, coming up with different solutions in terms of you know towards retirement, college planning, to different types of planning that they might want to look at and put them in a better position when they're planning for the future. I've helped investors start from zero to now becoming millionaires. So again, any of those things that capture your attention, would like to talk a little bit more in depth about your scenario, what you're looking to do, let's talk. We got a lot of different strategies we can help you out with. All right, you guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching. We'll talk to you guys tomorrow.